all the full stack frameworks like React.js, Node.js, and Angular and MongoDB. All these videos you can get, right? Yeah, first I will discuss about what is JavaScript and why it's popular. Previously, if I want to log in any application, like we'll see about the Facebook here. Here you can see the Facebook with the login credentials with the email and password. Okay. Earlier, it is like a why JavaScript people use it is here I'm entering the email something. Okay, and I want to log in. It's showing the error here, right? Why is showing how it's no, this is not a correct username. Why? Because with the JavaScript they validate the form it's a formation of the email or not, and it's a password and login buttons. Earlier they are used only for the validations only, for giving these error messages. And now the JavaScript framework is used uh, like front end and back end. Like a backend, we use it with the node.js. With the node.js, we can handle the API calls, like we can create the APIs and some services. All the things with the JavaScript, you can do anything, like front end and back end, like front end frameworks Java, React.js is a JavaScript framework, and Node.js backend itself a JavaScript framework, and AngularJS. And now in Angular 7, some people use JavaScript, and some people use TypeScript. Like TypeScript and JavaScript both are same. Some typing conversion is some different in the TypeScript. Okay, yeah. In the UI side, this all the design comes with the HTML and CSS. This text, Facebook, and but these buttons and these forms and this button, this all will comes with the HTML and the styling. If I want to place this Facebook in the some gap difference between some gap after some 5% gap, then after displaying this Facebook and this button, alignment of this button, all this comes with the CSS, and this forms and buttons created with the HTML, and with the validations entering the email password, this validations with the JavaScript, right? If I click the login button, what will happen is it will call the one API, right? And in that API, it will check the first username is exist or not, and with that username, his password is matched or not. And if the user is exist and the password is matched with that user, then it will allow to the login, and it will you can see the Facebook page, right? Here, we mostly with the JavaScript we use. If you know the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, like JavaScript frameworks like React or Angular or Node.js, you can build one application. Okay, with the JavaScript frameworks only, right? This Facebook also they are implemented the React.js framework, like React.js and React Native, and React Native for the native apps like mobile apps. Okay. This is the introduction of the JavaScript, right? Mm. So, if you subscribe this Fullstacker, then you can get all the videos, right? Yeah. Okay, thank you.